Imagine finding an unexpected extra $3,600 in your bank account just in time to cover those mounting bills or save for your child's education. That's the power of the child tax credit, and today, we're exploring how these changes, along with potential new tax policies from Vice President Kamala Harris, can significantly impact your family's finances. In this video, you'll learn how these policies aim to reduce child poverty, provide financial relief, and what you need to know to take full advantage. Stay tuned as we break down the benefits, eligibility, and steps to maximize these opportunities for your family's future. First off, let's talk about the child tax credit. You might remember that during the pandemic, the American Rescue Plan increased this credit significantly. Families could receive up to $3,600 per child, which was a big help during some tough times. This change helped reduce child poverty. However, when the pandemic relief ended, child poverty rates unfortunately shot back up. So, the question now is, what's next for the child tax credit? Vice President Kamala Harris has been a strong advocate for supporting middle-class families. Back in 2020, she proposed the Lift the Middle Class Act, aiming to provide a refundable tax credit of up to $6,000 for married couples. This was designed to put more money directly into the pockets of families who need it most. Now, with President Biden stepping back from the election, all eyes are on Harris. While she hasn't laid out her full economic agenda yet, many expect her policies to echo Biden's, especially when it comes to supporting families and the middle class. This means we could see a continued focus on expanding the child tax credit. One interesting point is whether Harris will uphold Biden's pledge not to raise taxes on anyone making less than $400,000 a year. This pledge has significant implications for future tax policies, especially with the expiring tax cuts from the Trump era. These tax cuts, known as the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, are set to expire after 2025. Biden has proposed renewing tax breaks only for those making under $400,000, while Trump wanted to extend them for everyone, including deeper cuts for corporations. It'll be crucial to see how Harris navigates this landscape. So, what does all this mean for you? If Harris continues to champion policies like the child tax credit expansion, many families could see significant financial relief. This could help cover essential costs like childcare, education, and everyday expenses. Additionally, her stance on not raising taxes for middle-income families could ensure that these benefits aren't offset by increased taxes elsewhere. But beyond the financial aspects, there's a broader impact. Programs like the child tax credit do more than just put money in your pocket. They're about creating a safety net that helps reduce poverty and improve the overall well-being of children and families. When families have a bit more financial breathing room, it can lead to better health, education, and opportunities for their kids. So then, what can we do to stay informed and prepared? First, keep an eye on policy updates and proposals from Harris and other key political figures. Understanding these changes can help you plan your finances better. And next, engage with your community and representatives. Sharing your experiences and concerns can make a difference. Policymakers need to hear from the people who are directly affected by these changes, and your voice can help shape policies that truly benefit everyone. In addition to that, think about the long term. These policies and credits are designed to provide immediate relief, but they also aim to create a more stable financial future for families. Take advantage of these opportunities to save and invest in your children's future. Whether it's through education funds, savings accounts, or other investments, planning ahead can amplify the benefits you receive. And finally, let's foster a sense of community and support. Financial challenges can be stressful, but knowing that there are resources and people who care can make a big difference. Reach out, share your stories, and support one another. Well, that's all for today's discussion. I hope you found this information helpful and that it gives you a clearer picture of what might be on the horizon. Remember, staying informed and proactive is key to navigating these changes. Feel free to drop your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.